Hi, this is Kelly from Enhance. We've just installed an Autowatch Cat 1 alarm system on this Ford Motorhome. We're going to show you how to arm and disarm. So on the aftermarket remote, we simply push the arm button once and that will indicate that the vehicle is armed. When you do arm it, make sure that you leave it for a minute before trying the alarm because it needs time to set. And then to disarm it, we just push the disarm button. Now if you'd like to make the beeps silent, you simply have to push this button here first and then arm it, and that's silenced the beepers. So I'll leave it a bit and then disarm that. Now if you'd like to isolate the internal sonics, you simply need to arm it twice, which will give you a high-pitched beep. There we go, so that means that the alarm is set but the internal sonics aren't on, which is ideal for nighttime sleeping when you're in the vehicle.